In this video, I'll walk you through the process of adding voices to Elevenlabs. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. Your support motivates us to keep producing top-notch content. Right now, you can do it by cloning the voices. It could be your own voice or others. This means you might not even need to appear in your future videos. So, let me walk you through the procedure, which you can see on your screen right now. First, navigate to the Voice Lab section of Elevenlabs. Here, you'll initiate your cloned voice creation. On the right-hand side, you'll find My Cloned Voice, which you just heard. To create your own, click on the icon and select Instant Voice Cloning. The setup process is swift. It took me less than 5 minutes from this point. As for pricing, access to instant voice cloning requires upgrading to the starter tier, typically priced at $5 a month. Now, let's dive into the actual process. Choose Instant Voice Cloning, and here's where the magic happens. After naming your project, upload a noise-free audio recording of your voice, keeping it under 10 MB and no longer than 5 minutes. Once uploaded, verify your audio file, add labels like British accent, male gender, provide a brief description, consent to terms, and click Add Voice to create your AI voice clone. Instantly, your completed voice clone will appear on screen. Get ready to be impressed by how quickly it gets ready. As soon as you click Add Voice, it is done, saving a significant amount of time compared to my expectations of 5 to 10 minutes. Choose your cloned voice, enter your text in the box, and click Generate.
Food is one of the basic necessities of life. Food contains nutrients, substances essential for the growth.
It's that straightforward to have your written words spoken in your own voice. You can refine your voice clone further in the voice settings section, adjusting settings like similarity to make it even more accurate. Once done, you can download the recordings you generate. This way, you can start creating AI voiceovers for your videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to catch more informative guides. Hit the notification bell to stay informed about our newest uploads. Explore a treasure trove of tutorials and resources on a variety of topics at MediaMagnetGuide.com.